Hi, I'm hoping to teach you how TerraMow can create a multi-zone pathway from two different areas of your lawn. The first thing that you have to do is enter the map. Then, the map management page by selecting the top right button that looks like a stack of papers, or even better, a layer cake. The developers created a neat animation to help you out. They also provide YouTube videos that are almost as good as this one.
No worries, no fuss, just a special design. TerraMow, the future's here, quietly humming, cutting clear with a Kickstarter, success so bright. First deliveries.
After starting the remote control mode, steer the mower to the edge of the first mowing zone where you would like it to cross over to the second mowing zone. Also, we hope that you enjoy the creative and catchy tunes about TerraMow that were created by our friend Pascal.
Little critters on the grass, TerraMow lets them safely pass. With every turn it learns the way, making sure it's safe to play. Seamless work from day to night, TerraMow keeps your garden just right. TerraMow, the future's here, quietly humming, cutting clear with a Kickstarter, success so bright. First deliveries take their flight. TerraMow, oh TerraMow, your lawn's best friend, everyone will know. Seamless work from day to night, TerraMow keeps your garden just right.
Pascal, you were right that you were feeling jazzy.
TerraMow, the future's here, quietly humming, cutting clear with a Kickstarter, success so bright. First deliveries take their flight. TerraMow, oh TerraMow, your lawn's best friend, everyone will know. Innovation at its core, a revolution you'll adore. In every yard it finds its place, the perfect lawn.
Then hit the set as starting point button and the mower will start looking around to find its exact location. This will take a little while and the mower may move around a bit to be sure that it knows its exact location before recording the pathway. Don't worry.
Humming, cutting clear with a Kickstarter, success so bright. First deliveries take their flight. TerraMow, oh TerraMow, your lawn's best friend, everyone will know. Innovation at its core, a revolution you'll adore. In every yard it finds its place, the perfect lawn, a gent garden.
When it has found its location, it will tell you via its onboard speaker. Then you can begin driving it with the remote control and the mower will record that exact path to the next zone.
In a world where silence reigns, TerraMow glides on the lawn. Precision cut, edge so fine, every lawn looks like a dream divine. Simple setup, easy to use, a modern marvel you can't refuse. Watch it dance along the line, no worries, no fuss, just a special design. TerraMow, the future's here, quietly humming, cutting clear. With a Kickstarter, success so bright, first deliveries take their flight. TerraMow, TerraMow, your lawn's best friend, everyone will know. Obstacle detection, a guardian's eye, safe for kids playing nearby. Little critters on the grass, TerraMow lets them safely pass. With every turn it learns the way, making sure it's safe to play. Seamless work from day to night, TerraMow keeps your garden just right. TerraMow, the future's here, quietly humming, cutting clear. With a Kickstarter, success so bright, first deliveries take their flight. TerraMow, TerraMow, your lawn's best friend, everyone will know. TerraMow, the future in night, the lawn mowation you'll adore. In every yard, it
When you get to the exact point that you want the mower to complete the pathway, select the blue endpoint icon in the app.
Quietly humming, cut and clear. With a Kickstarter success so bright, first deliveries take
Your
their
mower
flight.
will save the pathway and then resume mapping.
TerraMow, your lawn's best friend, everyone will know. TerraMow, the name you'll trust. Perfect lawns, no sweat, no fuss. Join the revolution, feel the flow. With TerraMow, let your garden grow. In a world where silence reigns, TerraMow glides on the lawn. Precision cut, edge so fine. Every lawn looks like a dream. Divide, simple setup, easy to use. A modern marvel you can't
If you notice that the
refuse.
mower is stopping here at the bottom of the rock wall, that's because we put a virtual fence to stop it from going further here.
The future's here, quietly humming, cutting clear. With a Kickstarter success so bright, first deliveries take their flight.
If you look at this map, you'll see the multi-zone pathway, which is the yellow line.
Everyone will know.
See how the map is growing as TerraMow continues mapping on its own. The mower takes its time to make a very precise map. As you can see, we sped it up about 10 times faster. You're welcome, haha.
Safe to play. Seamless work from day to night. No wormo keeps your garden just right. TerraMow, the future's here. Quietly humming, cutting clear. With a Kickstarter success so bright. First deliveries
Please notice
take
that the
their
mower
flight.
is recommended to mow 1,200 square meters, and we have far surpassed that.
Everyone will know. Innovation at its core. A revolution you'll adore. In every yard it finds its place. The perfect lawn, a gentle grace.
Let's pause mapping so we can place a virtual fence here.
Quietly humming, cutting clear. With a Kickstarter
Please
success
hold so we
bright.
can adjust the
First
virtual fence to
deliveries take
perfection.
their flight. TerraMow, oh TerraMow, your lawn's best
Okay,
friend.
it's time to mow.
Everyone
We
will
would have
know.
done this a day sooner, but we had the remnants of Hurricane Debbie roll through for about a day and a half.
TerraMow, the name you'll trust. Perfect lawns, no sweat, no fuss. Join the revolution, feel the flow. With TerraMow, let your garden grow.
I can't tell you how worried we were along this wall, and the TerraMow was absolutely amazing at seeing the wall and navigating it. Also, if you haven't seen the TerraMow videos on YouTube showing the crazy tests like the ladder toss that proved the build quality and durability that they put these mowers through, you should check them out. They're epic, and those videos really gave us a sense of security, especially right now.
Just a special design. TerraMow, the future's here. Quietly humming, cutting clear. With a Kickstarter success so bright. First deliveries take their flight. TerraMow.
Wow, this mower is doing an amazing job mowing this slope. We're not sure if it shows up in the video that there are some significant moguls on this part of our lawn which really trips up robotic mowers from staying on track. The Terra Vision, or binocular vision that this robot uses, is doing a fantastic job keeping the mower on track.
A modern marvel you can't refuse. Watch it dance along the line. No worries, no fuss, just a special design. Watch it dance along the line. No worries, no fuss.
We hope that you
just a
have
special
found this
design.
video helpful and enjoyable. Thanks for watching. Please share with your family and friends.
With a Kickstarter success